The Digital Supply Chains Consortium is a peer group of like-minded strategists from leading companies who are all engaged in the digital transformation of their global manufacturing supply networks. There are three key aims to the consortium. The first is to share experiences, successes, failures, etc. The second key aim is to align the research we're doing in Cambridge so that it fits with the gaps in knowledge and the key challenges that the members are experiencing. And the third key aim is actually to test new tools that are emerging from our research that can help guide strategic transformation and perhaps accelerate the delivery of business benefits which are tangible. The benefits of joining the consortium are learning from the successes and failures of others. And we're finding that everybody's facing the same issues and challenges, even across different sectors. And that's a very powerful sharing forum. Second benefit is around early access to latest thinking, emerging from research, and some of the strategy tools that we develop linked to that new thinking. And the third area of benefit is around support on capability development. So developing people, skills, processes, and cultural transformation, which seems to be key to rapid digital transformation.
The Digital Supply Chain Consortium brings in quite a few new dimensions of how research and practice may work closer together. First and foremost, when industry partners share their experiences, they're often using different terminology, difficult to relate between one another. And presenting that within a research framework, for example, allows different organizations to better benchmark each other in terms of what is beneficial from one organization that could be usefully applied or deployed in another. So that's a real baselining, framing activity that the research participants provide. Secondly, the benefits are around testing new ideas. So very much in industry, you're picking up the latest ideas, rolling them out. And from our academic perspective, we're thinking about the next stages of development. So we develop a number of practical tools that industry players can benefit from using in their businesses and really trying to shape those tools, of course, but also benefiting from their early deployment. And finally, the mix of research and academia allows us to draw data from real-world applications. So when developing our academic thinking, we can ground that in, as well as theoretical developments, practice deployed activities. So that our case studies are rich, they're real, and inform future research practice.
Digital Consortium has actually really helped our company with a couple of things. First of all, it's helped us in the thinking and the evolution of our strategy, and it's provided insights from other industry sectors. And then secondly, I think one of the most important things that have come out of it is the framework, and that digital framework of the different scenarios has allowed us to have a really good dialogue internally in our company as we've built development and execution plans. A key benefit from the consortium is the fact that we've been able to dialogue and build personal relationships with some key thought leaders in other industry sectors.
Being a member of the Digital Supply Chain Consortium, there are a huge number of benefits. It's both the peer-to-peer interaction with other like-minded companies that are also on a digitalization journey committed to make this happen, but maybe in different places in different industries. And that sharing between peers, supported by academia and also with IFM and now I would say being leaders in this domain, supporting us with tools and the thinking to enable this interaction.